Avesco Finland specialise in the sale, rental and maintenance of new and used CAT equipment. The company has 8 offices across Finland. In spring 2022, Avesco opened a new modern headquarters in Kerava. The new Finnish headquarters is responsible for the import, sales, rent and service of CAT equipment in Finland. The headquarters also has a central warehouse with 30,000 items. Avesco is part of the Avesco Group, which was founded in Switzerland in 1869. At their new premises, Avesco needed long-lasting, safe and the best quality industrial furniture that are compatible for lean and 5S environments. TRESTON supplied Avesco with a wide variety of the highest quality industrial furniture, including drawers, cabinets, workstations and customized workstation trolleys for mechanics. For thousands of items that are located in stock, TRESTON provides drawer units that allow accurate item classification and quick picking of the items. When customized workstation trolleys for mechanics were provided, the needs of the customer were taken highly into account. For example, the tabletop of the workstation trolley is convertible, and the trolley can be lifted with a forklift. Trolley workstations are used outdoors during the summer, and the moving is easy because of the wheels. Additionally, TRESTON delivered cabinets with several different shelf arrangement systems, workstations and storage bins. It is important to us that the industrial furniture is safe for the employees, as well as solid and durable. TRESTON's furniture are great for lean and 5S environments, which was seen as an important factor when we evaluated the purchase decision. TRESTON's lean and 5S compatible furniture makes production flow to work, which reflects with better ergonomics, productivity and results. The order and cleanliness produced by the 5S also reduces accidents. We also appreciated TRESTON's capability to deliver special solutions. TRESTON was known as a domestic player, and the previously acquired TRESTON's furniture had lasted for decades. The quality image of TRESTON is strong. TRESTON's security of supply during the hard global situation was also seen as an important factor. The cooperation has worked very well, and we are currently negotiating additional furniture purchases from TRESTON. A quality brand needs the best industrial furniture.